Today, we're exposing the secret love lives of your veggies. We're diving into plant reproduction. Let's unlock the secret world of plant sexes and boost your harvest. Let's explore perfect flowers, the self-sufficient stars of your garden. These blooms have both male and female parts, making them the ultimate solo act in pollination. Tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, beans, and peas all have perfect flowers. The stamen makes pollen and the pistil receives it. Sometimes a breeze is all it takes for pollination to occur. This self-pollination process means they can reliably produce fruit. That's precisely why tomatoes and beans are so reliable to grow. So next time you see a tomato plant loaded with fruit, remember it's a marvel of self-contained engineering. Perfect flowers are the garden's quiet achievers, bringing consistent results. Monoecious plants have separate male and female flowers on the same plant. Zucchini, cucumbers, pumpkins, melons, cantaloupe, and corn are classic examples. Pollinators move pollen from male to female flowers. If you have lots of flowers but no fruit, you might have a pollination problem. You can hand pollinate, transferring pollen from male to female flowers. Corn's male tassels are on top, female silks below. Plant corn in blocks for better pollination. Make your garden pollinator friendly to support these plants and boost your harvest. Dioecious plants have male and female flowers on separate plants, unlike monoecious plants. Examples include asparagus, spinach, hops, and kiwi. To get fruit or seeds, you need both a male and female plant nearby. Male flowers produce pollen, while female flowers develop into fruit after pollination. This promotes cross-pollination and genetic diversity, but requires careful garden planning. You can buy sexed plants from a nursery to ensure you have both. Understanding this dioecious nature is key to a successful harvest. Understanding plant sexes is key to garden success. Be your garden's matchmaker and you'll enjoy a bigger, better harvest. Like and subscribe from Roots and Shoots.